It's 2 p.m. and you're already running on empty. Your eyelids feel heavy, your brain feels foggy, and that third cup of coffee isn't helping anymore. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people drag themselves through their days, wondering why they're always exhausted despite getting enough sleep. But what if I told you that the problem isn't how much energy you have, but how you're managing the energy you already possess? Today, we're going to uncover the hidden productivity killers in your daily routine and discover simple ways to reclaim your natural energy. First, let's talk about why traditional productivity advice fails. Most people focus on time management, trying to squeeze more tasks into their day. But time is infinite energy, isn't? You can have all the time in the world, but without energy, you'll accomplish nothing meaningful. Think of your energy like a smartphone battery. Throughout the day, different activities either drain it or help it recharge. The secret isn't working longer hours, it's identifying what gives you energy versus what depletes it, then designing your day accordingly. There are 4 types of energy you need to manage: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Let's break each one down. Physical energy is the foundation. Without it, everything else crumbles. But here's what most people get wrong about physical energy management. They think sitting all day conserves energy, but the opposite is true. Your body is designed for movement, and stillness actually drains you. Try this. Every 90 minutes, take a 5-minute movement break. Walk around, do jumping jacks, or simply stretch at your desk. These micro movements don't just prevent fatigue, they actually generate energy by improving blood flow and oxygen circulation to your brain. Next is emotional energy. This is perhaps the most overlooked aspect of productivity. Negative emotions are energy vampires that drain you faster than anything else. Think about it after a difficult conversation or stressful meeting. Don't you feel completely wiped out? That's emotional energy depletion in action. The solution? Proactively manage your emotional state. Surround yourself with positive people when possible, and learn to set healthy boundaries with energy drains. Practice the 2-minute reset. When you feel emotionally drained, take 10 deep breaths and consciously release the tension. This simple technique can restore emotional balance quickly. Mental energy is your cognitive horsepower, your ability to focus, make decisions, and solve problems. But here's the crucial insight most people miss. Every decision you make, no matter how small, depletes your mental energy. This is called decision fatigue, and it's why you feel mentally exhausted by evening. The fix? Create systems and routines that eliminate trivial decisions. Steve Jobs wore the same outfit daily for this exact reason. Plan your most mentally demanding tasks for when your mental energy is highest, typically the first few hours after waking up. Finally, spiritual energy, your sense of purpose and meaning. This isn't necessarily religious. It's about feeling connected to something larger than yourself. When you lack spiritual energy, everything feels pointless. You might be productive, but you feel empty and unfulfilled. Cultivate spiritual energy by connecting your daily tasks to your bigger goals and values. Ask yourself, how does this work contribute to my larger purpose? Spend 5 minutes each morning writing down why your work matters. This simple practice can transform mundane tasks into meaningful contributions. Now, here's where most people go wrong with energy management. They try to fix everything at once and end up overwhelmed. Instead, pick one energy type and focus on it for a week. Master that, then move to the next. Small, consistent changes compound into massive results. Start tracking your energy levels hourly for 3 days. Note what activities boost your energy and what drains it. You'll be surprised by the patterns. Remember, energy management isn't selfish, it's strategic. When you manage your energy well, you show up better for everyone in your life. The difference between someone who manages their energy and someone who doesn't isn't just productivity, it's the quality of their entire life experience. Energy management is like learning to ride a bike. It feels awkward at first, but once you get it, it becomes automatic. Start small. Choose one energy drain you can eliminate today. Maybe it's checking your phone first thing in the morning or saying yes to every request. Replace that drain with one energy-giving activity. Take a walk, call a friend who makes you laugh, or spend 10 minutes on a hobby you love. In just 1 week, you'll notice the difference. In a month, people around you will start asking, "What's changed?" You'll have more energy, better focus, and greater joy. Your energy is your most precious resource. It's not about having more time. It's about bringing more of yourself to the time you have. Stop managing your time and start managing your energy. Your future self will thank you for making this shift today. Remember, you don't have to choose between being productive and being fulfilled. When you manage your energy wisely, you get both.